Today I'm going to share with you step by step how to create YouTube cash cow videos in less than 3 minutes, and I promise you by the end of the video you'll be pretty impressed with this method, and hopefully it'll give you some inspiration to try this method yourself because it's incredibly simple. Now I'm sure you're starting to see all of these different videos popping up about chat GPT. Everyone seems to be raving about it. Personally, I don't think it's that great. Now when we talk about AI software, whether we're looking at video creation or writing YouTube scripts or creating images, this software has been around for years, literally years. I first came across AI software about 6 years ago, and in this video I'm going to share with you two different pieces of AI software. Both of them you can use absolutely for free to start with, and you can play around with them and test them out, and they work really, really well. So first of all, let me share with you a couple of examples of this actual method, and I'll also share with you some different numbers because the numbers are very surprising. Okay, so if we come over to, let's go back over to YouTube. Okay, so now on YouTube, you can see at the top up here, I have just typed in the word natural cures. Now look at this. 8,100 people a month are searching for this keyword, natural cures. And if I press the space bar, we can then see we have got all of these different search terms down here. So look, natural cures for depression, 70 a month. Natural cures for vertigo, 720. Natural cures for UTI, 3,600. Headaches, 2,000. Ear infection, etc., etc. So there's a lot of search volume, especially around this topic here, over on YouTube and Google. And look, it's not just natural cures. You can do this in any category or in any niche. I'll give you another one as a really quick example. If I just type in wood working, like so, you can see here, sorry, it just disappeared. We can see here, look at these numbers on here. Woodworking bench, 8,100. Woodworking ideas, 12,100. There's lots of search volume going on, especially on YouTube, for a number of these different categories and niches. And it doesn't matter which one we're looking at, okay? So let me give you an actual example of this, and then I'll walk you through the process, okay? So if I come over here, this was a channel that I first came across a number of years ago, and it's called Natural Cures. Now, I know about this channel because they was using a piece of AI video software which was called Vidnami. Now, this channel here, you can see they've got 3.4 million subscribers. Bearing in mind they have been around for quite a while. But if I scroll down here, you can see, I just want to show you this, okay? So scroll down here, look at the videos, 3 minutes. And it's using, as you can see here, it's literally just using stock footage with text down here. This one here, look, 2-minute video, again, similar. Scroll further down the page here, these are, what on earth are they? Oh, they're upcoming videos. But if I come down here, look, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Thousands of views. Come down here, look, 8 days ago, 5,700 views. It's just crazy, okay? It genuinely is. And if I scroll up here really quickly, I'll show you popular. And we can see here, going back 6 years ago, again, these sorts of videos, these was using AI software. So none of this is new. It absolutely isn't. It just means, some of the softwares have changed a little bit and have got better. But if we scroll further down here, I was thinking, is it only their older videos where they're getting millions of views? But look at this one here. 7 months ago, this video, again with stock footage, has had 2.7 million views, okay? And all of the videos, all of the more recent ones, they're all less than 2 or 3 minutes. If I come up here, I'll show you this really quickly. Let me go to the home, and we will scroll down here to videos. Let's just scroll down, and look, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes. Oh no, that's still on the old one. Sorry, let me come on here. Recently uploaded. Come down here, look, 2.5 minutes, 3 minutes. Come further on the page, less than 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, etc. Okay, but honestly, these sorts of videos are incredibly simple to do using AI software. But let's go ahead and find out a rough estimation as to how much this channel is earning from uploading 2 and 3 minute videos. And this is a rough estimate, okay? So we'll come over here. Now, this website is called socialblade.com. It's free. Essentially allows you to spy on different YouTube channels. And if we come down here, you can see about the channel, how many video views it's had, the country where it's from, etc. when it was created. Now let's scroll down here, look, estimated monthly earnings. So it's estimating that channel is earning between £185 or $200 and £3,000. So if we was to take that figure and take a very, estimate and stick that in the middle, we could say this channel is earning £1,500, so about $1,700 a month from uploading 2 and 3 minute videos like this over here. Okay, so that's just an example for you. You can find out more information on here. You can see how many video views they're getting every single day, their estimated earnings, and you can basically go through and have a look at all of the good stuff on here. Okay, so we know that this channel is earning, and again we're being conservative with this. We're going to go with 1,500 a month uploading these sorts of videos. Okay, so how do we do this ourselves? How can we do this quickly? Because everybody wants everything quick nowadays, don't they? So how can we do this? Well, we're going to need 2 pieces of software. So the first part of any video creation is we need a script. Okay, now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go over to this piece of software here. I'll quickly show you this. So if I just type in Jasper AI software, I'll show you the homepage of this software, and you can scroll down here. You can have a look at this yourself. I'll drop a link to this down below where you can actually get 10,000 words completely for free to use this software. Okay, but if you scroll down here, there's lots on here that you can do with this software. You can use it not just for YouTube, you can use it for social media. They've even got AI art inside of here and lots more. It's absolutely awesome, but you can see on here there's no free software. There's no free trial for you. But if I put this link in, and I'll put this down below for you, we're going to come over here and type in Jasper. Here you'll see now, you should see, or we should see, you can get this with 10, yeah, over here, look, you can get 10,000 words completely for free using the link down below, okay? So if you click on that, it will take you over here. You can sign up and literally try it out for 10,000 words. Now, if I come back over here, now we've got this. This is what it looks like on the inside of this software. Okay, now you've got 2 options. You can come over here to video, and you can come down here and you can see there's lots of options for you. It will give you a script outline. You can use this for script introductions and lots more. But I'm going to speed this up, so I'm going to come over here to all and I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to look for something called chat. Now if I scroll further on the page here, and basically why I'm using this is just because it works really quickly. Okay, so it's here. Sorry, it's on the left hand side, chat. I'm going to click on here. Now, I want it to write a YouTube video, and let's just pick something off here randomly, okay? So let's scroll down here. Let's just find something. So garlic paste, the secret to banishing. Okay. I'm just going to think of something. Let's just come over here, and I'm going to type in down here. Write a YouTube script about the following, and I'm just going to go with something like 5 reasons everyone should use garlic daily, or something like this, garlic daily. And I'm doing this really quickly, okay? Then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click on enter. Now remember on the previous one over here, I just said to you, you can do this for 10,000 words for free. Whatever it puts out here, this is going to give you your take away from your 10,000 words, okay? So it's giving us some ideas here. Look, I'm here to talk about the benefits of using garlic. Lots of good stuff in here. And then what you could do is you could actually say to it, right, this here is a line, okay? So I'm going to copy that like so, and I'm going to come on here and say, expand on this sentence. Paste that in there, and I'm going to hit on enter. And basically, it's just going to do this for us. Look, it's going to write a whole script for us. Look. So now what I could do is I could open up a Word document and literally copy this, and here is my video, basically, or my script. Or something else what you could do is, and it would save you a bit more time, I'm going to copy this over here, like so, and I'm going to scroll down here, and I'm going to say, write a blog post about the following, like this, paste that in there, and I'm going to click on enter, and it'll take a second, and it's literally going to start writing this. Now the reason why I say to write a blog post is it normally gives us a lot more content than this, okay? So whatever, just play around with this until you're happy. And all I'm going to do here is I'm going to copy this. Now I'm not going to copy all of it because I'm trying to speed this up for you. So now we've got our script written by AI software. And here's the thing, okay? Once your script has been written and you've got your video done on other bits, you can simply come back over here and go to templates. You can go to the video, and then it will write your YouTube video description. So you would put your title in here, your keywords, and it would write the title for you. If I then go back over here and click on video again, we can then come down here and it will even give you video title ideas, a script outline, videos, etc. So now we've got our scripts. The next part of this is we need to create the video, sorry. So again, there's so many of these. I'm just going to go to this one in video.io. And again, this is, you can start this, well, they've got a free version of this, and then they also have paid plans. But when you're first starting out with this, you can just start off with the free version and play around with this. So this is what it looks like on the inside. So I'm going to come on here and click on create a new video. Now you can see on here, look, there's templates, there's text to video, stock footage, stock media, and loads more. But all I'm going to click on is text to video, like so. Then it will give me these templates, and there's loads of templates in here. Keep scrolling down, it'll keep changing them. And basically, just remember, all of these are editable, okay? So you can go with any of these that you like the look of, okay? So let's just say we like the look of this one here. I'm going to click on that. Let me pause that. If you want to see how it looks, you can let this run through. And then on the right-hand side here, we've got the options for this. Now, we're going to put this on YouTube, so it would be landscape. We click on use template. On the left-hand side over here, you can see script. So I'm going to paste our script into there. Let's bring this over. And then I am just going to click on create scenes. And now it's brought me into this page here. So basically, it's broken our script down in this example over here into 4 different slides down here. So you can see this is slide 1. If I click on the page and scroll down, it then goes into slide 2, and then slide 3, and then slide 4 down here. So in here now, this is essentially where you can make your edits to this. So if you're not happy with any of the elements to this, if you don't like the background, the image, the video, any part of this, you can edit it, okay? So for example, if you didn't like the text here, you can move the text around, or you can leave it in the middle. If you think it's too, it's too small, you can expand it. You can make it bigger up here. You can see you just come up to the font size and change it. Basically, you can change any part of this. So in the background here, for example, you can see we have got this garlic down here. If you didn't like that and you wanted to change it, you simply come over to the left-hand side. You can click on videos or images, because it works with both of these. And then all we're doing in here is, up here where it says search, we click on the search bar and we type in onion, or something related to the video that you're creating, and you hit on enter, and then it will bring up, it takes about 20 seconds. It will do a search for any videos related to your keyword, and you can see we've got lots on here. If you want them, all we do over here is we get rid of this one, and then we can just move in any of these ones that we like the look of. So if we wanted to go with, I don't know, say this one down here, I drag this in over here and I replace it here, like so. And then what happens is it opens this part up here for you, and basically it says you can trim down the video, or you can see here, look, trim video to fit scene, or you can actually let it play for the full, full video, depending on how long it is over here. So like 19 seconds, 14, 27. It's entirely up to you, but normally what I'd say is just go with trim video to fit scene, okay? And then once you're happy with that, let me just move my head. We click on add down here, and then it will add that to your video, okay? And this is the process. So literally you go through, you make sure you're happy with the media over here, so the images and the videos, and just make sure you're happy with your text. And then you can just go through each one of these slides, and you can see that looks pretty cool. Yeah, that does look pretty cool. And then go down to the next one and the next one, and that's it. And once you're happy with this, so once you're happy with the images and the videos and the text and the other stuff, you have 2 options. You can go with music, if you wanted to add music, or you can go with a voiceover. Now down here, you can see it says voiceover. You can use your own voice, whereby you're just reading the script here, or you can even go with the built-in AI voiceovers. There's a number of different software, a number of different voices that you can try, and you can just play around with them. So basically, let me just get rid of this. Look, so we've got automated text-to-speech, import from uploads, upload your own, or actually record it. So if you was to click on this one here, automated text-to-speech, it opens up here, and you can see, look, we've got US English. They've got a number of different languages available. You can go through these, and then basically you pick on your language, and then you also pick on here and literally go through these on here. And basically, you see, you can click on the play button to hear them. So if I click on Matthew, that one I can go and listen to, let's say Justin, or Joey, or Joanna, Ivy, or any of them. So you can go through and you can add one of these AI voiceovers on your video if you want. Personally, I would say record your own. All you're doing is reading this. But once you're happy with this, and then like I say, you can add in music on here. You've got text, different elements and other bits. You can play around with it until your heart's content. But once you're happy with this, you just click on export up here, and it takes a second. And then all we're doing is we're going to export basically download it. So you can see here, look, we want it on 1080 and we click on export, which basically means it will create the video for us and then we can download it. But that is the whole process from start to finish. So we are using this software over here, which is called Jasper, to create the actual script for us. And then again, we can take it on and do our YouTube description. And then basically you can also come in here and use this to come up with, video title ideas, script outlines, and lots more. But once we've got our script and we're happy with that, we then come over to in video, we input our script into here and we basically let the AI do its work. And if you don't want to, if you're not happy, you can just move bits around. But that's it. That is the whole process. And with this channel over here, any of these AI channels that you look at on YouTube, it all comes down to one thing. It's consistency. People try these methods and give up after a couple of weeks. It doesn't work like that. If you want to be earning money online and from home, then you are going to need to put in some time and effort and be putting out videos. And as we've seen with this channel here, they've been doing it for a number of years. So look, that's today's video. There is links to everything down below. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.